Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your BMW 1 Series key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This common battery type is often found in electronics stores. Next, find the small release button or slot on the side of your key fob. This is where we will begin the process of opening it up. It's a straightforward task. Now, with your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the key fob casing. There's usually a small seam where the two halves meet. Once open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe how it sits, noting which side is facing up. Then, carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. Be gentle to avoid damaging any internal components. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling great. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. You can find a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Take your fresh CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Ensure it sits snugly and securely. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's fully closed. After reassembling your key fob, it's crucial to test it. Go to your BMW and try all the buttons: lock, unlock, and trunk release. Confirm that your car responds as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Reopen the fob and double-check the battery's orientation and ensure all connections are secure. Sometimes a slight adjustment is all it takes for it to work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.